Sweet thing. And now you're mine.
What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, it's another travel vloggy vlog. Hey, yeah, vloggy vlog. Welcome back to another day of Vlogtober, y'all. Okay, so first, the ride was about 4 hours and some change, but we're still traveling at this point. But this is our little rest stop. We tried Jack in the Box, which I've never had before because we don't have it in Pittsburgh. And I just kept it simple. I wasn't really hungry, but I got 2 of the chicken wraps. I got a spicy one, and I got a regular one. And I wanted to try this creamy avocado sauce and that good sauce. So here's the spicy one. And that's me trying it, being all greedy and stuff. It was pretty good. The spicy one got jalapenos on it. The regular one got pickles on it. I think that's the spicy one. And that's me trying it with the avocado sauce. And it was real good, real good. I was sure I got some extra sauces to bring back home. But I'm sure I can make it. But this is outside of Jack in the Box where we were. We had about an hour and some change before we reached Las Vegas. Yep. That's right. We traveled from California to Las Vegas. And that's our rental car, my family and I. So continue to enjoy the rest of the vlog, y'all. Say hey T in the comment section. Make sure you already gave the video a thumbs up. And let's go. Let's turn up.
I was only in the 9th grade, triple gold D. Blind D, 11th grade. Fucking all the teachers wanna fuck with. Niggas thought they still the whole time, so I'm eating in they face. They still a nigga from the creek.
Or that thing when you're just goes out for no reason.
Alright, so y'all seen that we were straight lit, turned up in that car. So at this point, we're in traffic in Las Vegas, Nevada. On our way to our hotel, we are staying at the Flamingo, so let's go. Alright, so we made it to the hotel, and we're going to take the rental back to the Vegas airport. So...
Okay, thank you. Spa elevator.
All right, y'all, we are entering into the room. Hello. Come on, baby girl. Look at the bathroom when you first walk in. Oh, here's the light right here.
Hey, this is Mimis.
Okay, come on. We're all. Oh, you're not in this room. I forgot.
Nope, not in this room.
So here's the bathroom right here. Shower. Come around. Here's the rooms. Oh, wait. Sorry, y'all. Here's a closet. This is cute. So I'm sure this come all in y'all's here. I don't know what this is, but here's a nice long mirror. Boom. TV. Dresser or whatever. Here's the bed situation. Oh, look how cute, because this is the Flamingo Hotel. So, with the lamp. So cute. Let's click it. Boom. Super duper cute. Ew. Flamingos. Cute. Let's look at the view. Oh, the view. Woo, that view. Okay. Oh my gosh, look. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, hello. Let's put the phone against the glass so y'all can get the full. This is the hotel mine. Flamingo, so it's right there. Pink. So cute. Look at the pool. Lazy river and stuff. This is all a part of the hotel. This is a beautiful view. Let me get a selfie. But this is the hotel room, y'all. There is no refrigerator or anything in here. But let's take a look. Actually, yes, there is. There's a refrigerator right there. Microwave. No, that's a safe. What is wrong with me? Y'all know what's wrong. I had some drinks on the road.
They got the Hemis, but got the Benz. I put 10 on each, I know it's mans. Dogging them dumb shit, some shit.
What's this? It's just some stuff right there. Some shelves. And I think this goes to another room. Maybe I'm lying. Let me see. Oh, I'm a little nervous. Okay, yeah, that goes to another room. All right. Leave that like that. Okay. All right, y'all. Here's the room. Super cute. All right, sweeties, it's time to turn up, babe. So, look at the Ferris wheel. Purr. But it's time to turn up. I'm gonna record what I can, when I can. But I'm on vacation, so I'm not gonna record everything. I'm trying to live in the moment, honestly. But I'm gonna bring y'all along for a little bit of, you know, the nightlife in Vegas. We're at the Flamingo. And we're gonna have a good time. So, enjoy the rest of the vlog. If the video got thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell to notify each and every time I post a video. Go ahead, babe. Look at that. The balloon. You can't see it. So y'all can't see it. But let's go. We're walking in the hotel casino and I ain't even pumped up. I love Vegas so far. But I'm not pumped up about hotel casino because I don't like losing no damn money. Oh man. What did you get? What did you get? Which one do you want? One got 4, one that got 3.
That was fire. That's one of the best things in a long time.
That's what's up.
When did you get married?
Sweet. I got 4.
What I get?
Oh my gosh.
What you get, B?
Fell on you, sweet thing. And now you're mine.